What's up English?
Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to make a video to show how to make this one. What is this? This is a rubber band gun. Okay, it's a very fun. So why don't you try it? It's very simple and fun. And bam, boom. Okay, check it out. This is all we need. 6 rubber bands to make a gun, and 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ideally speaking, you may need one shorter one because look at this. So trigger part. If the trigger part is shorter, and it's easy to shoot. Grip longer, and then trigger point shorter. Bam, bam, bam. First, we'll make this part grip and this body part. So take two pencils and rubber and put them between here. Okay. Right. So then just winding up, and put it. So kind of tight. Okay. Next, grip part. Put another one in between here, like this. So in this way, you may just lose this grip. Okay. So once again, just put the rubber on the grip, and no matter how, just see, just wrap it up and tighten up. Okay, so then kind of loose, but it's okay. Another one, the short one, it's going to be the grip. So in the same way, just to put it here, around here, and just the hook and tighten up. Alright, this one should be tighter than this one because this one needs to hold the rubber. The rubber is gonna pull it, so it should be stronger. Okay, loose and tight, little bit. Okay, and okay, let's tie up. The other side as well, just in just the same way as the other side. Okay, this is it. Okay, right. So then 2 more. Just try to make it longer. I will just put in here. Okay. And roll, winding. At the end, in the same way. Just to hook it. And the other one here. Okay, just winding. Oops. Okay, cool. Alright, this is it. Okay, so you put the rubber here. Oh, make sure this one goes a little bit forward. Okay, forward than this one. Okay. Put it here and down. Okay, and just use Boom. Oh, it's kind of strong. Alright, so why don't you try it? It's kind of fun, and my kids love it. My kids love it. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching.